Well, here's DP Crazy Lady back again. It's 2:31 p.m. It is the 25th. It is Saturday. It is May 2024. It stopped storming. It's sprinkling, but it's gray out and it looks like it's going to, come back again. My PR package has arrived. It was up at the mailbox. The mailman usually brings I call it the package mobile. They usually show up and looking for my scissors. They usually show up, and do the deliveries door to door. And if it's a smaller package, then it's the regular mailman and he puts it in the box. I'm surprised this fit in the box. This, everybody, this company contacted me about 3 weeks ago. This would have been here about a week and a half ago, but as I stated before, one item was out of stock, and they had to wait until it came back in, and then they shipped. So once they shipped, it didn't take that long to get here. So this is Outdoor Tide and Craft Addict, which is Roxanne. You had gotten some from Outdoor Tide, I believe. They have some nice stuff, and I've never dealt with them. They contacted me. I want to see how they are. I think I got one that's a partial. I think it's a partial and then a full. So we'll go with the partial first, and we'll see how this is. I don't think it's a complete partial. Yeah, it is. Okay. So the other one is heavy. I'll have their links listed below, and you can check them out. I've spent, I don't know how many hours on their website. I can't find this. Here we go again. I can't find the opening. Anybody see it? There it is. I feel it. They have tons of stuff, and if I'm not mistaken, I think you can pick a size, but I'm not positive. I have spent so much time on different websites, but this is Outdoor Tide, and they are really nice. They were nice when they contacted me. Yeah, this is a partial. I thought this was really cute. It's a 30 by 30. Okay, and here is, you got your pen boat wax. We'll check the colors out in a second. I want to roll this a second. I thought this was really cute. It says Sleepyhead. And it is a partial. This is already, on here. You're basically coloring, putting the drills in on the bear. I thought it was really cute. Let's get this straightened up here a little. I figured this was something that I could probably do really quick. I thought it was really cute. It says good night right here. And the sleepy head. I just thought it was really cute. There's 7 specialty drills. And this is what my 15 bottle works for. Really good. We got a gray, a light gray, a darker gray, a medium gray, sort of like a brown gray, pretty green, mint green. It's sort of a gray green, and then your lighter green, because it's just for the teddy bear. And I thought that was really cute. Don't know why, but I figured it was something, to do real quick. So it's a 30 by 30. in around Outdoor Tide. I've never heard of the company, but you got to check them out. There will also be a discount code. They gave me a discount code for y'all, so you can at least check them out. Okay, now for the big end. And it's bent. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, what the heck? I'm hoping this is what I ordered. And what they... Oh gosh, it's big and long, but it was bent. I hope it straightens out. That wasn't a good shipping thing right there. That I'm not impressed with. It's a 60 by 45 centimeters. Let's see how this is. I thought it was a lot lighter than this. So I'm hoping they sent what I had picked out. Oh, let's see. Okay, your kit, small little boat, wax, placers, pen, tweezers. Okay. Okay, it's a square. They are pre-bagged. There are no ABs that I know of. There's some nice colors in there. This doesn't look, I have to see. Yeah, it's what I ordered, or I keep wanting to say ordered. It's what they, you know, the art package is what they sent me. Let's see. This is huge. I didn't think it was that big. So, let's see. The material feels, it's a little rough. Not bad. Okay. Here we go. There's the top half of it. There are 40 colors. It's like Mr. and Mrs. Snowman. And we'll go down. And it's just, you know, your snow at the bottom. Let's look at the, hopefully the wrinkles will all come out. I want to look at the drill field and see how that is. Let's see here. Okay. Well, it's readable. Definitely sticky. I'll have to hang this so that I can get it to flatten out. The symbols, it's alphabets and oh geez, other symbols I can't. I used to know what it was called every time I did cross stitch, and they had a name for them, and I don't remember it now. But there's check marks, there's arrows, percent signs. Here is the picture. This looks a little lighter. Let me see, the check mark I just seen was 3770. Okay, and the oh gosh, I think there's two different check marks. Whoa, wait a minute here. Let me see. There's a check mark there in that color. I want to make sure they didn't double on me, because that happened in cross stitch. No, wonder why that's like that. Okay, that's not a check. Oh my goodness, it's not. Okay, you got, I can't see it without a light behind it. But the check marks are 3770. The whiter part is, I think that's a, I can't see it without my light behind it. Sorry guys. I just want to see what color that is. Okay, that's a small R. Alright. Hard to see without a light. Yeah, 3865. Okay, is your, that's your white. Your off-white white. But I think it's cute. It really is. And it's not going to be hard to do. Once a light is behind it, I guarantee it's going to be, you know, it'll be fine. I think I'm going to use some on my own. I'm in the lantern. I think I'm going to put some of my sparklies in it. Give it a little bling. But what do you guys think? I mean, it's a good size. It's a good size. And, you know, from the end of October until part of into, January, I'm going to be doing Christmas and snow scenes. That's what I plan on doing. And I've got several, so this will be in the grouping of it. I mean, I'm not going to start it now, of course, but I really like this. This is a really, after looking at, like I said, it's hard for me to see without the light, my old eyes. It's not them, it's my old eyes. I mean, I can see it really good. There's a lot of color blocking here. There's some confetti. Not a lot, but there is some. Outdoor Tide, this is really, really nice. 60 by 45 centimeter, 40 colors. I picked a square. I'm not sure, they may have, in around. I did. You'll have to check their site out, please. Just check it out. Go to them. There'll be a link to this one, the other one. There'll be a link to their site. There'll be a discount code. And you'll be able to, go from there and look and, check them out. That's a pretty mint green. At least I'm seeing as a real light mint green. I don't know what my camera's showing. The drills look clean and shiny. And like I said, it's a square, so that's a pretty. Ooh, I'm starting to get hot in here now, y'all. I had the AC on for a while because I had to close my windows. When it stopped storming, the sun came out. Now it was drizzling again, so teal, pretty yellow. That would probably be in here somewhere in the lantern. They're clean because I don't feel, sometimes when you get some, you'll feel like a dusty or a film. Nothing. I mean, they look good. This is going to be fun to do, I hope. So, thank you, Outdoor Tide. I really, really appreciate you contacting me. And, hey, if you ever need me again, I'm here on YouTube. I like it. I really do like it. least I didn't pick another dog or a cat, or so you guys will be happy it's something different. I guess y'all know me by now, but it seems like, it's the animal kingdom here. Because I had a dear friend who passed away, but she used to call my place by my last name and called it, our animal ark. Because it's like, at one time I had the 4 or 5 cats that lived indoors and 2 or 3 dogs. They were all grouped together, and it was our own little ark. So, well, I'm going to get off here, and in a little bit I got to get the puppy his dinner. He's between 3 and 5. And I will, later tonight, when things calm down and I'm rested, I will do a whip and sip for you on the Golden Girls, because they, I think, are turning out really nice. Real nice. So, once again, Outdoor Tide, I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Beautiful painting. Only, like I said, the only issue I had, and they will understand it, is the thing was folded. But it doesn't look like there's going to be any major crease in it once I lay it out, straighten it out. But maybe they ought to kind of look into that a little bit, and not, unless it happened in, if something gets repackaged, when things go through customs, it's a pain in the butt. So, got my little sleepyhead bear partial, and Mr. and Mrs. Snowman. So I'm going to get off here and get this straightened out, get the puppy his food, and I will make all the listings. Everything will be in the description below. Please check them out. Everything deserves, a chance. Every company. I don't care. Little company, big company, medium, whatever. You all buy from Temu, you can buy from other ones. It's the same thing. So, y'all have a good one. Once again, enjoy your, holiday weekend. Be safe. Celebrate with family members who, served, and, put your flags out, do all that stuff. I've come from a huge military family. All my male counterparts, they served. My uncle served in the Army and the Navy. He left, got out of one and went into the next one. The other one was a Marine. My stepfather was the Army. My dad was the Navy. My brother was Air Force. Every branch, y'all. So, y'all have a good one. Enjoy. Hugs. Love you all. Be safe. Have a little barbecue and eat something good for me, because some things I can't eat. So have a good one. Hugs. Love you all. DP Crazy Lady, I'm out.